Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo Ensemble technique for brain tumor patients survival prediction. So in this project we are used unit segmentation and also modified self-organizing feature map to predict the survival analysis. Now we can see the proposed methodology. So we have taken brain images and for that images we have applied unit segmentation. Through this segmentation image, we are applying modified self-organized feature map. Based on that, it will predict the survival prediction. So now we can see the data set. So this is the data set. This is the images of which includes tumor image and normal images. And this is the ground truth of normal image. And this is the tumor image. This is the tumor image, ground truth of tumor image. So this is the data set. First initial step is collected the data set and second step is training. Open training. So these are the libraries we use for to train the data set. So this is the data set and here we are using the def function to load and preprocess the images. This function is used for to apply the mask. And here we are splitting the data set into X and Y, where this is the original image and this is the ground truth image. This is the unit segmentation algorithm, and this is the encoder part. This is the decoder, and this is softmax is used for to classifying the images and show history graph. Once the training process is completed, we'll get the graph and model will be saved. Segmentation model.hy and click on run model. So here we mentioned about 10 iterations. Till 10 iterations, the process will be continued. Here you can see the accuracy and loss of each images. So once the training process is completed, We'll get the graph of accuracy and loss. And after this model will be saved, can check for the testing part. Here once the model is saved, we can load the model. And this is for to load the images. And this is the masked image, ground truth image. And here we are extracting the features. Based on that, it will predict the normal or survival analysis. Click on run model. So we can select the images from this. So this is the normal images. So you will get the original image and ground truth and the predicted. So if it is normal, you will get the patient is normal. You can check for another input. Run model. Can check for the tumor image. We'll get the original ground truth and predicted image and also predicted survival days 25.